Hey everyone, Ryan here, REV'IT back with another video. Today's a special video where we're just going to go over an install of some parts on the superbikesupply.com REV'IT project bike. And what we're going to be going over today is the install of GBRacing engine protection covers. So GBRacing.eu, they make protection parts for motorcycles. I've been using them for I don't know how many years now. Ever since I had my Daytona back in, I think 2011, I've always used GBRacing stuff. I've always enjoyed their products. They protected my bikes well when I've had any issues on track, and they're a company that I will continue to use moving forward. So if you don't know about them, check them out. They've got pretty much everything under the sun for every bike, and not just engine covers. They've got brake lever guards, you know, the spool attachments that you can use to lift up your stands, and they actually have them in a configuration where it's like a spool slider, fork sliders, frame sliders, and obviously engine protection covers. But yeah, what we're going to cover today is just going over the install of those covers onto a 2017 R6 project bike. I just wanted to kind of highlight that and showcase it, just how easy it is to install the covers. And if anyone has any questions on anything, please feel free to leave me a comment or send me a message, and I'd be happy to answer it. So without further ado, let's get to the install. So first things first, we're going to do the clutch cover side, and we're going to put that cover on. It's just going to fit right over like that. It's really easy, just got to take out the existing bolts, and then GBRacing supplies their own bolts, because that way you have ones that are a little bit longer, and then they'll install nicely, and then they obviously provide nice instructions as well. So super simple mod, but in my opinion, a very necessary mod. Alrighty, I'm gonna man the camera. I think you know what you're doing.
Nope, no clue.
No clue?
Never held the camera in my life.
All right. So let's get this out. See, these are a little bit different length because I think that's how, so you can see this one's a little bit deeper. So that's why we've got the longer one.
First mod.
Yeah, so like I said, since this has a longer insert on it, GB gives you a nice longer bolt to insert in, so you're just gonna go ahead and tighten that up. Start snugging those up. I usually like to snug all three of them and get them started first, and then tighten them up after that. Alrighty, just like that. Now, one other thing I want to point out that's kind of neat that I like that GB does, because they obviously know these are used a lot in racing applications, and one thing you have to do when you're racing is you have to safety wire all of your drain bolts and fill caps, and they pre-drill the little hole so you can add that simply for safety wire. Now, these aren't hard to drill. It's not a big deal to do, but I just like that they add that little nicety in like that. So, as you can see, super simple to do, looks super clean, fits and molds right around everything nicely, really easy, quick install. It only took a couple minutes to do. So, nice, easy mod. So easy, even Elliot could do it.
Yeah, I guess I could.
Cool.